So it's been a while since I've just did kind of a channel update video, and I have started 3 videos today and they've all gone wrong. I'll go into that and I'll give you some updates and there'll be that. So let's get into that. I'm so So they say 3 things come in threes, and truly, they come in threes. And I want to take a moment to just kind of update you on the channel and just kind of update you on what the heck is going on in my head right now. And the reason why I say things come in threes is because I just published an AKK retest video where my pigtail has failed me and the values of the original video didn't come out right. And now here we are again. I got 2 more issues. The second thing that happened is this, and let me go into that first. This guy, this is a X Dolphin, and it came in, and I started recording the unboxing and the just kind of once over, and I was gonna do a side-by-side comparison with the Hero 5 or even the 7 or even both. Thanks a lot, Cadix. Your freaking website for the app doesn't work. I tried on Android and I tried on Apple, on iPhone. Neither of them work. So as far as I can get with this camera is I can turn it on, I can install a SD card, but I cannot get the damn thing to connect to the app because the app won't work. I don't know how other users have gotten it to work. I go to the website that they provide and it just gives me a 502 error. So there's that. And this camera, for all intents and purposes, is unusable without that app. I can turn it on and I can connect to it via Wi-Fi, and that's all I can do. I can't get it to record. I can't change settings, and I don't even know what the settings do because I can't access the app. So that's my first point of contention with this thing. And I really wanted to get a good review out on it, and so far for $45, I've been left with nothing but disappointment. So if any of you know how to access the app, because I know it can be done, I've seen it on people's phones, but I can't do it. I have not had luck with it. Not that I can't do it, I have not had luck. So just after the failed AKK initial test and then the retest, and now this guy, it's just So then I figured, okay, I'll do a quick little video where I'll show you the boss cam transformation because I am tired of using the dual lock. I did a video a while back on how to mount this easily with the dual lock. I figured, okay, that's great. And I just picked up a 3D printer. So I went ahead and grabbed the only 3D print to the boss cam to mount it on over here. So I started recording that video. And this guy doesn't fit. I mean, it's nowhere close. So as you can see, the screw hole is right there. So this theoretically should fit like here, which is great. Now, I mean, I guess I could put a washer or a couple washers underneath here and put it like that. But I can see that this guy is kind of designed to fit into there. So which means that this port here needs to be elongated by at least 1/8 of an inch in order for it to fit properly in this little captured hole here. Of course, I get into that video and that doesn't work. So I need to modify this somehow. And just being new to printing and new to CAD files and new to all this, I have no idea how to even just stretch this piece just 1/8 of an inch, or maybe 1/4 of an inch, or maybe both. So there's that. So things come in 3. Well, that's the 3rd thing. But of course, I've already been out in this garage for now a couple hours, and it's starting to get hot. And in a few moments, it will be unbearably hot. So the next thing that I was going to do, and here I'll get into some of the things that are coming up on this channel, is I was going to take this apart today and put it into this. And if you guys have not seen how this happened, here's the link to that. That video is right here. This thing looks freaking amazing, and I need to take the guts out of this and put them into this. So while I'm doing that, you're going to see the antenna mod to change this to a removable antenna, which is a really good idea because this guy breaks pretty easily. You're also going to see the speaker upgrade. This is, they sell in a 4-pack, and you need a 3D printed part to put them in. But it'll be the upgraded speaker, and just overall the project of just changing this over. So you will see all that. It will kind of encompass the gimbal mod, but the gimbal mod's already been done. There's a link to that video right there. So that's coming up on the channel. I can't wait to get this done. I mean, I love the way this looks. I can't wait. The other project I've got going on is this guy. This is going to be the Flight 1 build. I've got the motors installed. I shot the video for the motor install quite a while ago. I haven't even edited it yet, so that's sitting in the works, but you'll see this. This is going to be a Flight 1. I have the Cricket, and as you guys have seen in the past, I did the review on the Flight 1 Cricket flight controller. And that video at this point I think is a couple months old, so that's going on this build. This got pushed off because I had some others that had some things to get done first, or some obligations, or I really wanted to get the Beast class done too, so I made a full-on effort to get that done. So this got pushed off to the background. I've got some more VTX tests. I've got the Rush tank I want to get done. And they're actually coming out with another one, so I am going to be ordering that one. This is the Foxeer Cat. I got to get this tested, but I got to put together a side-by-side rig so I can test that alongside other cameras. This is a Twilight camera. I'm really excited. This is going to go on the Flight 1 build, but I'm really excited to get this into a build. And again, this got put on the back burner, there's that. And I've got a this is the PDB that's going to go onto the Flight 1. This originally was going to go into the Slam Nasty, but it didn't fit because of the standoffs were kind of tight. So this is, I believe, going to go into the Flight 1 build. So I'm excited about that, and I might even do a review on this as well. So that's just kind of a quick look at some of the stuff that you can expect to see from this channel in the coming months, weeks, and whatnot. I do also have some other stuff. I've got so I'm still waiting on, I've got a toothpick. Where is the toothpick? So I've also got a couple of toothpick builds I've got to get done. This is a Bando Racers Twiglet, super lightweight frame. I've got parts coming for this. That's coming up, and I've also got the limited edition Ion, and I also have another Ion coming where they made some modifications to these arms, so you can actually put some stronger motors on these guys and not get as much flex. Not that these flex a lot with the little motors that are on there. So as you can see, these are cut for like your 800 motors. They have since strengthened up these arms, and now we can go with the 1100 style motors. So I'm really excited to see what the added power to something like this will allow. As you can see on these guys here, they are cut for the 11.0X motors. So those are going to be built. That's 3 little quads that I'm going to be building. I'm still waiting for the this is the Ion limited edition, and I'm waiting for the new Ion Plus, and this is the Twiglet. Very excited for these little frames. Want to get these things built. These are always fun, and you can fly these almost anywhere, including almost maybe in the house. Just don't get caught. So the other thing that I feel that needs to be said, I had done a review on the TBS Unify Pro 32HV, and this is the one of the first ones out. They have rolled back the power output. I ordered another one of these because the new ones are coming with the upgraded firmware. I am not going to neuter a good one. This is a good one. I have another one that's a good one. The issue is you cannot roll back the firmware. So once you upgrade, it decreases the power. I'm going to test how much power the new firmware is outputting so that you guys know. But I just wanted to let you guys know to not upgrade that firmware. You will neuter your system. It will still output the 1 watt from what I hear, but you can't go backwards. And with these things outputting almost 2 watts, don't upgrade it. Don't. So there's that. So I just wanted to roll through and catch you guys up on some of the stuff that is upcoming on this channel. And there will be some stuff put to the side. There will be some stuff that might not ever make it, but this is the major stuff that's going to be done, and I'm excited for all of it. And unfortunately, I don't have the time for all of it, so it's going to get stretched out. And that's just what it is. And just know I'm coming into a very busy portion of my life. This time of year always gets very busy for me. So if you see some of the videos shortening in length and just some of the kind of talk about bench stuff, and you see some of the in-vehicle quick tip type stuff, just know it's because I'm really busy and I'm still trying to get out the 2 videos a week for you guys. And I might even do 1 video a week for a little while. Just know that I will be back to the grind as soon as I can. That's just a look at some of the stuff that's upcoming on this channel. I'm really excited for all of it and can't wait to show you guys and share with you. I've got some tuning videos coming up. I've got some electronic setup videos for like the Beast class, stuff like that. So really excited for what's to come from this channel in the future. I really love the activity that's going on and the new subscribers. Thank you for punching it. Excited. I'm excited for what is going on. This is awesome. So if you enjoyed this video, click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't done it already, go ahead and punch that subscribe button because you only get to do it once and it's fun. I'll catch you later. Peace.